Hit got late today, I gonna rush back. Ciao, I'm gonna fly.
Ciao. I don't feel safe to fly. Considering no jacket, never mind. I'm not wearing shoes and pants. Oh my god, it's getting heavier. I have to slow down. Hey, it's so painful. Ah! It hurts. It hurts so bad. Woo! That's for not wearing a jacket and a long pants and a shoe. I'll have to put my phone in my bag. Since I'm already all wet, might as well continue. Oh shit, I forgot to put my wallet in my bag. This is bad, this is bad, this is bad. Words cannot describe how. Words cannot describe how. Words cannot describe how shitty I'm feeling at the moment. And how cold. My whole entire body feels like it's bleeding already. It's so painful. I should go slower, but I already feel like I'm going super slow. My underwear is getting wet. I can feel the water dripping into my dick. Pretty sure my friend is wet too. And my spectacles is starting to fog up. If you are wondering why I'm not wearing shoes, pants and whatever gears that I'm supposed to be wearing, is because I was lazy to change. Because this is how I usually, oh my god, I can't really see anything. Because this is how I usually dress up to work. And oh, my bike slipped. That gave me a mini heart attack. This is why I really hate riding in the rain, but some people likes riding in the rain for some reason, and I'll never understand. But yeah, as I was saying, I was too lazy to change because I'm only coming out for a short while to have a drink, to have drinks with my friends. But I know it's no excuse. I should be wearing proper gears whenever I ride, but I don't know, I was just too lazy to change. And now I regret. I seriously can't really see anything. I mean, I can, but I can't really see much as my spectacles are all fogged up. Okay, I gotta stop somewhere. I really can't see anything. Look. Sejuk gila babi. And it's fucked up again. Should I just take my glasses off? Because I think I can see much better with my glasses off. Because right now I'm just seeing all black. I wouldn't be able to see any potholes and shit. Oh fuck. This is what I'm saying. I didn't really see those cones until I got close enough. Alright, I think I should really take my glasses off. Oh my god. Ah, so much clearer. Fucking hell. Everything is blurred out though. Oh. I guess I'll have to squint my eye throughout the whole journey. My balls have most likely disappeared. I'm so gonna have a fucking hot ass shower, and I'll most likely stay in the toilet for a good half an hour. Ugh.